Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your account number, SIF, and the mobile number registered with SBI. Once done, open SBI Yono or the SBI Internet Banking site and choose New User Registration or Link Account. Enter your account number and CIF carefully because the system matches records exactly. Mistakes will block linking. You will be prompted to verify with an OTP sent to your registered mobile. Make sure your phone has signal and can receive SMS before proceeding. Next, verify your identity. Input the OTP, and if asked, confirm debit card number plus ATM PIN to authenticate ownership. After successful verification, you will create a username and a strong password. Choose something unique and follow SBI's complexity rules to avoid rejection. Once credentials are set, configure MPIN or two-factor authentication for faster mobile logins and define transaction limits as needed. This step ties online access to your account, so take a moment to review choice. To finish, confirm your linked account appears under Accounts or My Profile. Then sign out and test logging in with the new credentials. If the OTP does not arrive, recheck the registered mobile number, restart the phone, or request OTP again. Persistent failures often mean you need to update the mobile number at the branch or call SBI helpline. If any transaction looks unfamiliar, immediately change your password and notify the bank. Make sure SMS and email alerts remain enabled for ongoing security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.